Hello, my name is Lily and welcome to my channel. It's September 8th, 2019 and today marks the beginning of my loc journey. If you've been following me on Instagram for a while, then you probably already know that I like locks and I've styled my hair in locks before. I even have a video on how to turn your first hair into temporary locks here on my channel, so I'm going to leave it in the cards and in the description box. So I've thought of locking my hair a few times before. So it's just something, locking my hair has been something that I've been thinking about, I've been considering, but I've not really had courage to do it because I have just been concerned that if I lock my hair, I'm going to get bored of the look and then I'm going to want to go back to my afro, like my regular loose hair. So another thing I've been concerned about is the fact that you guys already know my hair shrinks a lot, so I've just been thinking that if I lock my hair, like it's going to be like I'm starting all over again because I will no longer be able to stretch my hair, and if I not stretch my hair, that means, like, obviously, as you guys can see, my hair is all shrunken. So those are two things that have stopped me from locking my hair for a while now, but today I've decided to take the bold step and lock my hair permanently. Well, I think I've had enough of the loose hair. I feel like natural hair community makes loose hair too complicated. The fact that I cannot just jump into the shower and jump out, it's just stressful. We are always trying to fight our shrinkage, so everyone is like, you have to wear your hair stretched, so after washing your hair you have to find a way to stretch it in a way. You go out, you cannot just swim without consent. Most people do not even swim. Most people with natural hair do not even go to the beach or go to the pool because they are concerned about their hair shrinking and it getting matted and stuff like that. So I feel like I'm done. I'm tired of following all the so many rules of naturally kinky hair. So now I'm just going to let my hair be and just let it lock. I really don't know what I'm getting myself into because there's really not much information online about locking fussy kinky hair. I've watched a few videos, but most of them are people with looser texture. I'm going to be doing freeform locks. What that means is that I'm not going to twist my hair. Most people, how they lock their hair, they go to a loctician, and the loctician, some of them, they install lock extensions and just allow their hair to grow, and from time to time they go back to the loctician to retwist the roots. Some people do twist or braids or like finger coils and just leave it and allow their hair to just lock in twist or braids or finger coils, and as time goes on they go back to the loctician to twist the ends. But me, I'm going to be doing freeform locks. I'm not going to go into any loctician to do my hair. I'm not going to be twisting or anything. I'm just going to leave my hair as it is, like this, and just see how it's going to turn out. I'm no longer going to be combing. I really never used to use a comb that much, but now no combing, no finger detangling, no separating, nothing. I'm just going to leave my hair as it is. The only thing I'm going to be doing will be washing. I do not know yet if I'm going to continue with my DIY hair mask. I don't know if I'm going to do that, but the only thing I'm going to be doing now that I'm sure I'm going to do is washing and moisturizing my hair. I'm still going to be using shea butter and probably oils on my scalp so that my scalp doesn't end up dry. But yeah, that's all I'm going to be doing. I think I'm going to go back to washing my hair every week instead of the 2 weeks that I do now. The thing I'm very excited about is that I'm going to be wetting my hair every day. I'm going to just go into the shower and let it rain on my hair without worrying about shrinkage and stuff like that. I really do not know how my hair is going to turn out in the locks because I feel like I have a lot of shrinkage. I have massive shrinkage and my hair will never fall. I feel like my locks will turn out to be like a big locked afro or a small locked afro because my hair shrinks a lot. So I don't know how it is going to turn out. I'm really excited. I'm very excited about this journey. but I'm also scared because I really don't know what to expect, but I've decided to do it. So let me give you guys a look of what my hair is looking like on day one. So how did I get my hair to this point? I washed my hair about 4 days ago, and normally after washing my hair I stretch it with braids. I apply shea butter and stretch it with braids, and you guys have seen. If you're not following me, if you're new here, you can go and watch my old videos that shows how I wash and stretch my hair. So that was what I did, but I mistakenly put too much shea butter in my hair when I styled and washed it. That was 4 days ago. So when I unraveled the braids to style my hair like in a puff, it was greasy, and so yesterday I didn't want to wash my hair again because it was greasy. I didn't want to wash it again, so I decided to just put my hair in protective style just to help me cope with greasiness, so it's not all over the place and I'm not always touching and everything. So I decided to do mini braids, and after doing the mini braids I noticed that my hair, it did not help. My hair was still very greasy and it was stiff and it was just not cute. So I went ahead to wash my braids. I washed my hair in braids, with mini braids, yesterday, and the plan was that I was just going to wash it in mini braids, allow it to dry, and wear my hair in braids for a few days. But after washing the mini braids, that was when it struck me like I cannot continue like this. I have to lock my hair. And I went on YouTube and I saw a few videos, and I saw, that it's possible to lock your hair without going to style. I have issues with stylists. That's one of the reasons why I did not do the manicured locks that I was going to a stylist to get my hair locked, because I don't trust people with my hair. So I rather do it myself than go take that bold step, putting my hair in the hands of a stylist. So that was not an option for me. And I would have done the temporary locks that I did here on my channel. This is in card that I did I think a month or 2 months ago, and then just leave it in temporary locks and wait for my hair to lock. But I feel like with the amount of shrinkage I have, my hair will just continue to shrink and just look weird. Some will be falling, some. I didn't want any form of hang time for now. I just want my hair to hang when it wants to hang, not because I braided or twisted it and then to hang in a very weird way. I just was not in the mood for any hanging, any hang time in my hair right now. So that's why I did not do that. So I'm just going to allow my hair look as it is. So back to what I was saying, my story. I digress. So after washing my hair in braids yesterday, I decided to finally lock my hair. So I unraveled the braids. My hair was still wet when I unraveled the braids, and that's why you cannot see any like braid texture in my hair. My hair was still wet, so of course after unraveling the braids, it just shrunk back up. But I still have the parts from the braids. They are still in my hair, like random, all those parts that I did in the braids, because I did not comb the parts out, so I still have some parts in my hair. So yeah, that's how I got to this point. Yesterday I slept without a satin scarf. I just slept, and then this morning I just scattered my hair, and that's how we got to this point. So I'm really excited. And I'm really excited about this journey, and I really hope that you guys will stick around and just walk through this journey with me. Yeah, so I'm going to be documenting my journey here on YouTube and also on Instagram. So if locking your hair is something you think you might consider doing, then you want to subscribe so that you keep up with me. And also I didn't see enough I didn't quite see videos on people locking their hair from fussy hair, so I thought I should just contribute and put my videos so that in case people in the future people want to lock their hair, they have something to check from the video. So let me show you guys how much length I'm starting with. Anyway, so that's it. So yeah, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video.